Hey guys, Millionaire Advice here, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to earn $500 per day in passive income. That's right, with just a little bit of effort upfront, you can start earning money passively and grow your income over time. So, without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Find a high-demand niche. The first step in earning passive income is to find a niche that is in high demand. Look for products or services that people are willing to pay for and that have a long-term potential for growth. Some examples of high-demand niches include finance, health, and technology. Step 2. Create valuable content. Once you've identified your niche, you need to create valuable content that will attract your target audience. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media posts. Make sure your content is informative, engaging, and relevant to your audience's needs. Step 3. Monetize your content. Now that you have valuable content, you need to monetize it. One of the easiest ways to do this is through affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services related to your niche and earn a commission on every sale. Another way to monetize your content is through advertising revenue. You can use platforms like Google AdSense to display ads on your website or videos and earn money based on clicks and views. Step 4. Automate your system. Finally, once you've established your passive income stream, you need to automate your system. This means creating processes that allow you to earn money without actively working on your content. This can include automating your email marketing, setting up automatic social media posting, and outsourcing certain tasks to freelancers or virtual assistants. So, there you have it, the easiest way to earn $500 per day in passive income. By following these steps and consistently providing value to your audience, you can build a sustainable source of income that grows over time. Keep in mind that earning passive income requires effort and dedication upfront, but it can pay off in the long run. If you have any questions or tips for earning passive income, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.